Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to mark an email as read in Outlook using the latest update on your PC. Whether you're organizing your inbox or clearing unread notifications, this guide will make the process quick and easy. First, open Outlook from your browser. You can do this by navigating to the Outlook website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox displayed front and center. Next, locate the email you want to mark as read in your inbox. Hover your mouse over the email. This action will reveal additional options right next to it. Keep your cursor steady to ensure the options remain visible. Now, look for the Mark as Read icon. This icon typically appears as an open envelope or a check mark, depending on the version of Outlook you're using. Click on this icon, and just like that, your email will be marked as read. The bold formatting of the email will disappear, signaling that it's been processed. And there you have it. Your email is now marked as read. This method is perfect for quickly managing individual emails without opening them. If you have multiple emails to mark as read, simply repeat the process for each one. Thank you for tuning in. With these straightforward steps, managing your inbox has never been easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. See you next time.